2, we're seeing the same on the tech in, and sounds good, we're established 275. We can slow down even more if you guys would like, if that helps you out.
Yeah, we'll take it. We've got 7 miles in closing, so if you want to slow it or activate this.
There's 2 copies all, we'll slow to 260.
Yeah, 95, maintain 310.
Copy, 2992, direct to CP at 220.
Dash 95 from Nitro 62. As you guys come on in, if you guys can hold it a mile so the boom can get their checklist done, and then I'll pass the radio off to them once we clear you in further.
Copy that, we'll hold it 1 mile, thanks.
Accelerate to 275 now.
Dash 95, copy y'all. We are going to back, we'll maintain 1 mile, we'll match your speed, and you let us know when you're ready.
62 will come.
95, that's loud and clear, how many?
Charlie as well, sir, you are clear to start.
Alright, copy that. We're showing 0.7 aft. We'll bring it up to 500 feet low and bring it in nice and slow. We're almost checklist complete.
62 copies all. 95 from 62 for your SA. We'll have your required trim and your lower limit will be 40 this evening. What turning requirements do you have?
And for Dash 95, we are probably going to get autopilot off. Other than that, we are here for you.
62 copies all. We have minimal requirements up front for the pilots, and we've got an IBC sworn in the back, so multiple contacts with the practice set.
Alright, 95 copy all.
Appreciate y'all.
You got it. And 95 got bar clear.
62 from 95, just a heads up, we do have a 0325 rendezvous Delta planned on the same track, so we'll watch our own timing to let you know when we need to turn back early to make that one happen.
95, stand by for checklist.
95.
95, clear to contact when ready.
Alright, 95 is stable, ready, coming in.
Contact?
Contact. How long do you guys need sustained contact for?
We're good up here.
Contact. Contact.
4-3.
Alright, come forward. Alright, request disconnect.
Disconnect now.
Copy, disconnect. So we'll back out, come in for another autopilot on, and then I'd like to get the autopilot out.
Nitro 62, disconnect. 95, stand by.
Copy, stand by.
Ready to talk about it.
95.
95 from 62. Unfortunately, we are done for the day due to having a delayed disconnect. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, 95, no problem. And I'm sorry, you're done because of a delayed disconnect?
That's affirm.
And 95 copies. You want us to back down?
Say again for 62.
If you're done, you want us to back down to flight level 200? And real quick for 952, we don't have SA on 61, so if you guys have heard from them, you know, we can back down to flight level 200 and hold.
Yeah, from 62, yeah, we're going to try to reach out to 61 and see where they're at. They were working on starting engines, but we're also kind of, they're like every step of the way kind of running into something new. So we'll give them a quick call, see if they're up, and we can try to coordinate.
All right, copy that, 95. 95.
Soft, Nitro 62, airborne. From Nitro 62, do you have a status on Nitro 61? Are they airborne?
Nitro 62, dash 95.
Copy. And Nitro 62, we had a delayed disconnect with our receiver Dash 905, and so we're unable to continue air refueling with them. Looking to see if there's any other airborne or soon-to-be airborne assets that are able and looking for air refueling. We're sending out to AR-313 present.
Nitro 62, dash 95.
Go from 62.
And from 95, just looking at timing, I don't think we'll be able to accommodate 61 if they are just now starting engines by the time the C-17 comes up. If they still need tanker AR and they want to join us as like a number 2, that could potentially work, but I just don't think we'd have enough time to fit them before that NOx comes up to us.
62 copies. It sounds like 61 just took off. Hoping they'll be up on this freak shortly, and then we can hopefully coordinate with them real time.
Okay, cool. We can maybe step a hold at the IP then.
Dash from Nitro. You guys said you guys could hold at the IP. Would you prefer to go all the way to CP and then be established in that orbit since you guys are doing a rendezvous Delta with your receiver?
Yeah, that works for us, 95.
And from 62, yeah, we'll go ahead and coordinate with that with the center, and we'll just kind of hold there, and then as we kind of figure our lives out, we'll go from there.
All right, 95 copies, thanks.
Negative from Nitro 62. We're currently 50 miles from Jimma, and then after Jimma, we're direct to Tulsa 327 at 30, and then following the 327 at 30, we'll be that Tulsa 1470706 that we're looking to delay at.
You're reaching Tulsa 14707. Hold on your inbound radio to the north, then maintain in the block 2003220, and expect further clearance. We'll do just 0315. You just let me know when you're ready.
I'll go for 6-2.
And 6-1 from 6-2 on Geronimo. We got you loud and clear. How many? We're currently en route from the IP to the CP, and currently cleared to delay with the receiver at the CP. Our receiver -905 is going to be doing another air refueling on 313 via Delta with a C-17. We're currently talking through options now. What is your current position and status in our plan?
You go ahead.
So just looking to confirm, making sure that leg lengths are our discretion for the Tulsa.
This is the Tulsa. I'm actually going to just, for now, clear direct the Tulsa 147 at 070 fix. Because you'll be down in Fort Worth, I'll have you hold with them. They'll be able to have more information on your discretion for the leg length. Nitro 62, contact Fort Worth Center 132.2.
Nitro 62, Nitro 61 on AR prime.
19er come up at the level 220, walk in 1164 about 10 miles to before Venice, and then come up just my
9562 on air prime.
Nitro 62, Nitro 61.
Go ahead for 95.
95 from 62. For your SA, SOF just SATCOM'd us. He told us that your receiver fell out and will not be doing air fueling with you this evening. We figured you would like to know that information.
You just tried making
Alright, 95, copy all. Thank you.
partner
And no worries, are you hearing 6-1 joining in?
here. 220
And we-
and 92.
Hey, firm, we hear 6-1 on the radio joining in, and we're just sitting back here. We were coming up with a plan, and the C-17 was definitely part of our plan. Actually, a major component in our plan. So stand by 1.
Copy all. We just got off the phone with SOF about 90 seconds ago.
Copy, thanks.
Dash 95, Metro 62.
Go.
Be advised, there'll be right-hand turns for this delay at the CP per ATC.
Copy, right-hand turns for the delay. Right behind you. 6295.
McConnell Air Force Base, descend pilot discretion, maintain 10,000, the Wichita altimeter 3005.
Go.
Yeah, because you guys are making it right-hand turns, could you just give us your inbound course and leg length?
And we're currently 154 inbound. It'll be 20-mile legs.
154 inbound, right-hand turn, 20-mile legs. Thanks.
Dash 95, Metro 62, you guys might go into the bottom of the block. We're going to start coordinating for our deconfliction. We're going to be heading back to Altus for pattern work.
And dash 95, descending down to flight level 200. 9562.
95, go for 6-2.
Yeah, we're talking to the SOF. Just want to confirm you guys are complete for the night heading back?
From 6-2, our boom will be incomplete. Pilots should be good to go. 6-1 is rejoining currently. They do need some air refueling from you if you can accommodate. However, the only pilot requirement we needed was a little bit of Form AR, so we were going to wait for them to rejoin, and then we were going to bounce out of here.
Alright, copy all. Just want to confirm that you don't need the C-17 then.
Are you referring to NOGS 19 that's on AR-197 currently with a 2-0? To SOF that they were the only ones.
Yeah, that's correct. We're just trying to work out the details. The SOF wanted to know if you guys were tanker AR complete and what your plan was, just so they can coordinate the remaining assets airborne.
Gotcha. From the sounds of it, our boom will be partially.
Okay, copy. We'll pass first. Thanks. And real quick, 6-2 for 9-5. Could you do us a favor and just put your lights full bright?
Yeah, standby 1. And then center streak that we're currently on is 132.2 for your SA.
Copy, 132.2. We do have you in sight. Thanks a lot, man. We just had a quick FMS issue. We're back behind you and we're closing.
Copy all, and then center's expecting to hear you on 132.2 so they can declare Marcel with 6-1.
2.2, switching over.
Dash 95, we're currently given a heading of 300. You guys are still expected to be, I think, to be holding. Is that right?
Dash 95, we will continue to hold right-hand turns per your discretion. We're switching over to ATC now to discuss with 6-1 coming in.
6-2, copies all, thanks.
Dash -95, Nitro 61 on airport.
Nitro 61-95, confirm you're calling us.
A-firm, giving you guys a call. You guys are able to do an AR with us, or you guys are trying to move on to your next receiver?
And 61 for 95, we were just informed that our next receiver has canceled. So we are currently holding in a right hand holding pattern at the CP for 313 at flight level 200, waiting for you guys.
Copy. We're approximately 7 minutes out. 220-2992, and we're squawking 3653.
And confirm 3653 for the squawk.
3653 for the squawk. So you guys want to plan on doing a rendezvous Delta at the AR CP here, and then proceed down track? We're trying to find you a new receiver.
And stand by for dash 95.
Copy.
And 61 for 95.
Sorry, say again for 61?
95, just want to confirm, are you guys direct to CP at flight level 210?
We're direct to CP at 220-2992.
Copy, 2992, direct to CP at 220. We're level at flight level 200, 2992 is set. Squawking 3637, and say your ETA to the CP.
We're approximately 5 minutes from the CP. We're going to be entering from basically directly from the west. Our reference heading is going to be 092.
95 copies all. Just be advised, we are currently turning from the north, passing through a heading of 080 over 200, and it looks like that course of action will make this an en route rendezvous at the CP.
We totally agree. We'll plan on en route rendezvous, and actually think I might have you in sight.
And 95, we're doing 275 en route to the CP. Do you guys want to, once established, come down to flight level 210 and we'll maintain 200?
Copy. We'll maintain 220 for now. Once we get the block, we'll descend down to 210 for 61.
95 copies. 9561.
Go for 61.
Yeah, we're currently showing arrival time to the CP at 0248. We're slowing to roughly 270 indicated.
We're also showing about a 2 minute to the CP, slowing to 275 in the descent from 220 to 210.
95 copy, y'all. We're level 200.
Copy. 195, looks like this is going to be an overrun, execute overrun procedures.
95, execute overrun procedures.
And we're established at 210, 2992.
And 6195. We brought it back to 250 knots indicated, and we'll let you fly straight ahead.
Copy. We're up at 310.
And 61 for 95. We're clear to terminate overrun procedures.
Terminate overrun procedures from 61.
95 terminate. And 61 for 95. We're picking the speed back up to resume normal procedures. Will you guys be doing 275?
We're passing through a 285, slowing to 275.
And 95 copies. 95 clear to stand, thanks.
And 95 from 61 IP radio check.
95 left seat deck 11 clear, how many?
Got you, Lima Charlie as well. Could you go ahead and send what your training requirements are on the night?
Yeah, we're going to do autopilot on, autopilot off, and then whatever you guys need.
Yeah, that's going to work for us. That works perfectly. We'll probably just need at least 1 or 2 person separations in there. We have 2 students up front, 1 boom student in the back. The first one will be a demo contact from the other.
95 copies.
And 95, you got some flashing red lights on your underbody. Are you able to turn those off?
95 copies. 95, stay ready.
95, clear contact. Contact.
Contact.
Backboard.
Coming back.
And disconnect the touchdown.
Copy that. Was that a limit discount?